Flipping scarf, mate. Seeing Office Blue, give me a shout out to new members, that's nice. Helen Clapp, I've got the spikes, awesome. Steph, take care. See you next Sunday. I think Hayabusa Nutter's gift was allocated. H. Dad asking that question. Kirsty Stevenson, thank you, Kirsty. That's gifted a channel membership. Thank you so much, Kirsty. It's quite interesting that it wasn't allocated, Julie, because Kirsty's was allocated immediately to Johnny Annan. Okay. Just hang tight, Hayabusa Nutter. Nev tuning in from Austria. How you doing, Nev? Might get a bit of a funky shot there. No, it's not going to really. It's quite. Is that one of the Neos? No, that's a CEO, isn't it? Is that a CEO or a Neo? No, it's a Neo, isn't it? Yeah, it's smooth. To be honest with you, I love the sound of the old Trent 7s. Paul Skinning saying it looks like 09's on Wednesday as well. Okay. Oh, we've got a retirement flight on Wednesday, folks. With that being the case, we will more than likely either be at the Hilton Garden Inn or at the roll-on point. Have they finished those bleeding? Are they doing full-length departures yet? Just have a look on radar, Jim. Okay. Blokes want to flipping hurry up, don't they? Doing those road works. Wow, Jumbo going out. Look how light that Jumbo is, folks. Got no call on that. We've seen that plane last Wednesday and possibly last Thursday and today twice. How about that? Obviously the inbound and outbound, caught the refuel, caught everything, didn't we? Bob Bossa saying that is CX8. Off to Sharp. I mean, don't get me wrong, bleeding great at night, isn't it? Sizing the flashy lights and things. Lowlander, I don't think we saw the Grumman G21. Would that have been the? Would have been a freighter? Would it? We haven't had any email from Patrick, folks. Adiabatic scenarios. 7,000 feet, Beverly George EK3. Just gonna get it. Electric Mike. Beverly George, morning is good. No, there you go then, folks. If you've got a decent enough notification warning from us about what time we're going to be on, then you know, I'll go out there and I'll brave the cold for you, because I know that it's going to deliver some incredible visual effects. But it's the fingers, you'll see it's the fingers. Look at that. Look at that line there, man. Look at it. How precise it is. 3 degrees, ladies and gentlemen. What's it now? Is this EK3 now? Looks like an Airbus, and it's a big one. It's a double flasher. Oh, she should light her engines up, man. Hilarious. Has it landed somewhere completely different then, has it, on Flight Radar 24? Bedfont Lakes or something. Well, that should be a nice easy transfer then, shouldn't it, for the packs? Yeah, all systems glitch. Especially something as sophisticated as Flight Radar. So the flight crew, namely the captain,